First, draw a circle. Now find its length and center. Length of this circle is 7.5 centimeters. Now draw a pentagon inside the circle. Each side of pentagon is 4.5 cm. Now find the center of each side of pentagon. Straight line with 7.5 centimeters is drawn on each side of pentagon. Now match each corner of pentagon to this line. Setting a straight line. And we found a perfect triangle. On one by one. We'll now erase it clearly. Changing it into 3D star. Center. Match each corner with this center. We found a perfect 3D star. Let's fill this 3D star with different colors: red, green, orange, yellow, blue, purple, pink, choco color, dark green, blue.
Have a nice day.